How to find saved Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Here's how to view the password for both your current network and previously saved Wi-Fi networks. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to, then tap the Info button next to it. On supported versions of iOS, tap Password. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode, and the Wi-Fi password will be revealed. You can also tap Copy if you want to share it with someone else. If you want to view the password for a network you've connected to in the past, go back to the Wi-Fi page and tap on Edit in the top right corner. After verifying your identity, you'll see a list of your known Wi-Fi networks. Tap the Info button next to any saved network, then tap Password to reveal and copy it. If you're using an older version of iOS, like I am, you may not see the password or edit options. These features are only available on iOS 16 and later. I'll show a screenshot on the screen so you can see exactly where these options are located on supported iPhones. And that's it. That's how you can quickly view and share saved Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and how-to guides.